Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your Snapchat application. And once you're in your Snapchat application, head over to the profile by clicking on this profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. And as you can see right here, I'm in my profile, and just scroll down a little further until you see public profile. So as you can see right here, create public profile is now available. So just click on that, and it says that it can show your name, and you can add collections of your snap from Spotlight, Snap Map, or Camera Roll to help Snapchatters learn more about you. So with that being said, just click on Get Started and click on Create. So as you can see right here, I've created my public profile, and there you have it. So you can add a photo of yourself right here, or you can edit, and you can add a bio, you can add a location, and just click on preview right here, and there you have it. This is my public profile. So I guess that's it for this video, and if you like it, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!